Meaning of gramophone.
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 Gramophone. A gramophone is a device used to play recorded sound. It was first introduced in the late 19th century and was a popular way to listen to music until the advent of more modern technologies such as the cassette tape and CD. The gramophone works by using a needle to read the grooves on a rotating disc, which is then amplified through a horn-shaped speaker. Gramophones have a distinctive vintage look and are often seen as collector's items today. In short, a gramophone is a piece of equipment that plays recorded sound using a needle and rotating disc.